Sorry. Ulit.
And ang sinasabi ko lagi, if I can't perform, Japorms. Hey guys, welcome to GYL, Gap Year Life. And for this episode, I'm gonna play pickleball. Ima just bought this for me kanina at Uniqlo. My skirt's from Anko and my shoes are Ons. Thank you, Jom. And then here's my next essential. May nagturo sa akin 2 weeks ago na it's not Jula, it's Yula. Okay, pero hindi yung kukunin ko. Kukunin ko yung citronella spray from Bangkok. Yeah. Okay, and that's not all. May binili akong isa pa from Bangkok. Hindi naman ako masyadong takot sa lamok. Yung nagawa ko na rin siyang perfume. Thank you. You have my water with my name. Last but not the least, my paddle. I'll do some dinking with John, okay? Okay. Mabilis lang, John. Katong clock lang. Yes. Oh, akala, dali. Magsaserve lang ako sa beses. Dali. Oh my God. Bye! See you in my next episode of GYL, Gap Your Life with Iana. Yap. Bye!
Ganda nun ah.
Just me after pickleball.
Good game.
Tomorrow again.
I'm drenched, bro.
I'm drenched.
I'm drenched.
Wearing
buckets.
Buckets.